Hello, welcome back for lesson number 54. I put a title called Final Facing. Today we're going to do the final facing for this part. I have partnered with Dream Technology System to produce this video. I hope everybody can learn something out of it. As usual, we need to open the previous lesson file and continue what we're going to learn today. This is the result on the previous lesson. We have roughed out the top face. We will continue to do the finishing cut. We will duplicate the previous operation. Manage it by changing a final tool. Choose load tool shape, mill, and then same 25 mm flat end mill. Okay, but we will rename it as final and change the tool number to do number 2. Okay, use yes. We need to update the parameters, set the RPM higher and the finishing cut as well. We do not want to leave any material. This is a finishing cut, so base only. Change the color. Calculate. Looks good. Let us do a verify. Set the frame G54. Drag the tool, and you can see Z is 0 now, which is the top face finishing cut. Click OK. OK again. Sorry, verify. Play. And we do the analysis. You can see that the top face is in green now, meaning to say it's size, so it's good. Let us save the file. Let me switch the screen to show you step by step how to complete the task. Hello, welcome back. Let me show you step by step how to complete the task. First, we double click the previous operation, collapse it, right mouse click, duplicate, change the tool, manage, load tool shape, mill, 25 mm flat end mill. Okay, we put a title called final. Oops. Tool number 2. Okay. Yes. We will update the parameters. RPM 1005, 300. No stock. Base only. Change the color. Calculate. Looks good. Let us verify. G54. Drag the tool. Some more. You can see. Z0. Let's click OK. Looks good. OK. Let us perform a solid verify. Slow down. Play. Looks good. Option. Analysis. Visual. Let us take a look. Yes. All to size. To our expectation. It's good. Close. Close. We save the file. Thank you for watching. We will continue to work on this part at the next lesson. Bye bye.